All right, Lynn. So here in the fourth part of the reading and writing, you did great. All the answers you gave are all correct answers. Okay, that's good. Now here, Lynn, I have here questions and you're going to write the answers to the questions based on the given pictures.
Which unfinished.
Okay, please read.
What is the mess doing? Quickly.
Okay. What is the man doing? You are correct. The man in the picture is reading. So before that, Lynn, how many people can you see in the picture?
I can see
Again?
I can see from people in the picture.
All right. So there were so many people in the picture. All right. So where are they, Lynn? Where are
There
they? They
is
are in the...
they are in the bus.
Okay, very good. They are in the bus. Okay, so Lynn, you continue answering number 2 and 3.
I shall finish.
Okay, please read. Who
Who is
is?
the man? Who is the man talking to? The woman. What has the girl got? A dog.
Okay, are you sure who is the man talking to? Your answer is the woman. Okay, let's check. The answer here is, oh, it's not the woman, but it's the boy or the child. Look at in the picture, Lynn. What is the woman doing in the picture?
The man's eyes
The woman is,
look on two friends.
again.
The man looked the child.
Okay, look at there. The woman in the picture is sleeping. And who is beside the woman? Who's beside the woman? It's the, who's beside the woman, Lynn? The sleeping woman. Who are the children beside her? It's the,
Is the woman looked on boy.
okay, it's a girl and a boy. Look up there. The woman is sleeping and there's a boy and the girl beside her. Number 3, what has the girl got? The girl got a doll. Very good, Lynn. Correct. All right, so next, Lynn, 4 and 5.
Examples.
Okay, please read.
Where is the bag? On the bed. What has the woman got in his hand? A jacket.
Okay, where is the bag? It's on the bed. Correct. Number 5, what has the man got? Okay, the man got in his hand is a shirt. It's not a jacket. It's a girl's shirt, Lane. Look at that. There is a design. Okay, the jacket is a bit uh, thicker than that. All right, so Lynn, there you go. We finished the, oh, wait, not yet time because we still have time. So we will do speaking activity. Okay, we still have 10 minutes and then we're gonna have the speaking activity. Wait, Lynn, I will share the screen to you now. Okay, so here we go. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
All right, so here we go. So we have here speaking activity. Hello, I am teacher Jessa. What is your name?
Mr. Green.
My name is Lynn. Okay, how old are you, Lynn?
10 years old.
Again?
I'm 10 years old.
Ah, you are 10 years old. Next, here, tell me about your dream job, Lynn. Okay, Lynn, tell me about your dream job. If you'll be getting older, what job do you want to have in the future?
Something again.
Okay, again, I cannot hear. Tell me about your dream job. What do you want to work? Where do you want to work? Do you want to work in the hospital? Do you want to be a doctor, a nurse someday, Lynn? Lynn, do you want to become a doctor?
I was a teacher.
Ah, a teacher. Why do you want to be a teacher, Lynn? Why you chose a teacher? I want to become a teacher because why? Do you want to teach children? Okay, yes, you are. Now here, look at here, Lynn. I have here vocabulary words. What are the given words? We have, what are the words? We have guitar, again. Okay, we have guitar, drum. Can you see it?
From.
Next,
Yes.
doll.
Door.
Next, what else? Okay, wardrobe or a cupboard. Next, and a jacket. Do you know these words, Lynn? Do you understand these
Yes.
words? Yes, you do. Okay, Lynn, I want you to look at the picture. Can you tell me what can you see in the picture?
And see of guitar, piano, a drum, a guitar, a door, a room, a clock, a door, a cup, a chair.
Okay, now look at here. How many people can you see in the picture, Lynn? How many people can you see? I can see.
You can see three people.
Okay, what is the girl doing in the picture?
The girls playing on piano.
Okay, and how about the boy?
The boys playing on guitar.
Okay, the boy is standing while playing the guitar. Now here, Lynn, can you tell me where is the doll in the picture?
Others is behind a chair.
Okay, and where are the flowers in the picture?
The flowers is
The flowers are,
the flower are under the window.
okay. Next, Lynn, can you see the frog?
Yes.
Yeah, put the frog on the mat. Put the frog on the mat. Okay, now put the frog, there's two frogs. Put the frog in the cupboard. Okay, correct. There, and the other one. Next, here. Okay, Lynn, can you see the jacket?
Yes.
Okay, put the jacket between the clock and the door. Okay, next, which is the train? Put the train under the piano. Ah, very good. There, and the other one. Correct. Next here, Lynn, how many lamps are there in the picture? How many lamps? I can see. How many lamps can you see?
I can see two lamps.
Okay, I can see two lamps. Where are they?
They
They
are
are.
Mr. Robot and Mr. Bill.
Okay, good job. And what color is the door in the picture?
It's
The,
red.
the door is color?
The rose is yellow.
All right, very good. So in the picture, you can see there that the door is color yellow. Okay, very good, Lynn, because you were able to follow the given instruction and you understand also the given task to you. All right. So Lynn, that would be all for today. Thank you, Lynn, for coming in today's class. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Let us just see right there.